Dear students, BA Part 2nd, Semester 3rd, Subject English Literature. In last video, we have learned about an essay, The Rule of the Road. This essay has been completed in last video. Today, we are going to learn keywords, question answer and reference to context. So, firstly, we see keywords. Maelstrom means powerful, willful. To trample means to crush. Next one is aggressive means forcefully. One particular person aggressive on immoral thing. Ridiculous means absurd, foolish. To accommodate means to adjust or live in place. Consideration means thought. Deliberately means intentionally. Outrage means anger or violence. Incarnate means personified form. So these are keywords from this essay. Now we are going to learn answer question, how to ask question in university exam. So first long question is, what answer did the old lady give when she was asked not to walk on the middle of the road? Means in this essay, one old lady is walking on the road. After that, people suggest to her. After that, she replied to people. So what is reply? So we have to write in this question. And already we discussed about already incidents in this essay. Or when does individual liberty become the social anarchy? This question is all to that questions. Another odd question is to this question is critically summary in the views of A.G. Gardiner about liberty. So we have to critical summary or significance about this essay. So write down properly this answer of this question. Second question is that what according to Gardiner is the rule of the road? Means according to Gardiner, or what is the opinion of the Gardiner about this essay? So we have to write it. Another odd question for this question, liberty is not a personal affair only but a social contract. It is an accommodation of interest. Explain after Gardiner. This is a quote and we have to explain properly. Here is Gardiner already also wrote this sentence. Next question or to that question is, why must the liberty of everybody be curtailed? Means we have to follow liberty properly. So you have to write answer of this question. Another odd question for this question is, what are individual and social liberties? How can we enjoy both according to Gardiner? Means how to enjoy individual liberty and social liberty. There are some both liberty and we can take the proper enjoyment from two liberties. So we have to focus properly. Firstly follow rule and regulation, and after that we can enjoy from two liberties. So right answer properly of these questions. Next question is third question. Mention those areas in which one has complete freedom to have one life. Means we get the complete freedom. So write down properly answer of this question to take the support of this essay. Another or question for this: what according to A.G. Gardiner are the matter in which a man is as a free as he likes? He is a free. The what is matter according to Gardiner? We have to write. Question 4 is: describe what happened when A.G. Gardiner wanted to read a blue book. So, write down properly answer of also this question. Or question is for it: what happened when Gardiner started reading a blue book in the railway carriages? The both are the or question each other, means both questions answer are same. The here we have to write incident of railway. They are the two gentlemen and they talk loudly. So those incident or these incident we have to write in this question. So these are the long questions may be asked in the exam, and out of this question some question are asked in university exam. So exam point of view you remember. Now we will learn reference to context. Also this is an important question, and through this question you can get proper marks in university exam. So first reference to context is: liberty is not a personal affair but a social contract. So already discussed this line. So in this we have to write reference and another is explanation. In reference you can write like this: these sentences are taken from the essay on the rule of the road by A.G. Gardiner. So this is a common line. You can write this line to any reference to context or an this essay. The author clearly argued that unless the liberty of all the curtailed, the liberty of all may not be preserved. He suggested that everybody should realize that he should not be inconvenienced to others. After these lines, you have to write the context about these lines. And next point of this reference to context is explanation. So you explain this line properly in this question. Another reference to context is: the truth is that I never read blue books for pleasure. So he said that while traveling in train, he read the one particular book. So you write also answer of this reference to context in two parts. In reference first, another is explanation. Next is: the thing that was wrong with him was that he had not a social sense. These lines are very important. Reference to context point of view, because this question is asked in university exam. And last reference to context is: the great movement of heroism and sacrifice are rare. So for the sake of society, we also sacrifice the individual liberty, like that writer mentioned here. In this way, whole this essay has been completed. In next video, we shall learn another essay. Thank you.